Hey guys, this is Holly with AK Essential Wellness, and I was just making up some toilet bowl balms or toilet bowl cleaner and thought I should just do a quick video to show everybody how I do this. It's so easy. I've been doing it for about a year, love it, and so I'll tell you what you need. So to make little toilet bowl cleaners that are really effective and cleansing and green, you just need some organic baking soda that's aluminum free. So I just got this from Whole Foods. It's sodium bicarbonate and there's no fillers or anything. And then you need some citric acid. They just had this in bulk, but you can order it on Amazon or wherever cheaper. And then you need some, I love Dr. Bronner's cast iron soap, unscented, nothing else. And then whatever essential oils that you want to use. Like I love to use doTERRA's Purify. It's the cleansing blend. You can also use lemongrass is a great one. I combine it sometimes with spearmint. It's got like that herbal fresh scent. I also love lime. I'll do a little bit of lime with spearmint. So you can play around with like what you want and it's amazing. So I already made a batch right here and they have to sit after you make them for about 4 hours and dry out before you can put them in an airtight container and then keep them in your bathroom for when you clean your toilets. So all I do is grab a cup. You need 1 cup of baking soda. Actually, yeah. So it's exactly a cup. It's a cup of baking soda, and then you're gonna do a 1/4 cup of the sodium bicarbonate, so it's right here. So I just gonna use a 1/4 cup and gauge it. It's about a 1/4 of a cup. And then you're gonna stir this together. So you're just gonna stir it together and get it all nice and mixed in. And then you're gonna add a 1.5 tablespoons of cast iron soap, unscented. And you're gonna slowly pour that in and stir until it gets really piecey, like wet sand. So you want it to get, see if I can show you this. Super piecey, like crumbly, like you're playing at the beach and you just have put drizzled water in the sand. So, and then another 1/2 tablespoon. So 1.5 tablespoons of cast iron soap to this. And then I just stir it together really well. And then add 15 drops of whatever, 10 to 15, I like to do 15, of whatever oils you want to use. So I am going to do some Purify. I love Purify, so I'll do, see how much I have. It's about 10 drops of Purify, and then I'm going to add 5 of spearmint. I just love that like herbal or herbaceous fresh scent. And stir it all together so it's like really crumbly and mixed all the way through. And I found from doing this that metal is the easiest so it doesn't get all sticky and plastic even. And then I just got these molds from Target the other day. They're just like silicone ice trays, but you can get actually all different shapes. You could do this as a fun DIY with your kids and let them have fun with it. But it's really just an ice tray, super easy. And then when you spoon it in, you want to make sure that you don't fill it all the way to the top because it expands and it'll be too full. So I just do probably 1/2 to like 3/4 full, and I have pushed down the other mold like 3 times already, and it's been about 1.5 hours. So don't fill it all the way. Let's see. Yeah. So I'm just filling it about 3/4 full, so you can see this, like that. So I already had filled part of the tray because I had too much. And then you're gonna let them sit for 4 hours until they completely dry. And then I just put mine in a mason jar. And so I usually have 3 mason jars and I just fill them up with whatever I've made and put them in the bathroom. And it's super easy, smells great, and very effective. And they make great gifts too. Like if you have friends that are just getting into green cleaning, I love to do fun stuff like that. So that's it. And then this is the 1/2 that I'd already done. So they expanded a lot. And then these are the ones I just did. So enjoy making your toilet bath bombs, guys. You can check out my other videos at AK Essential Wellness on YouTube and follow me on Instagram or Facebook at AK Essential Wellness.